In this video, I will be showing you how to group and ungroup columns and rows using the Python library xlwings. On the right, you can see the testing document that we will be working with. Row 1 has 7 columns filled in, and column A has 7 rows filled in. Various numbers will be grouped and ungrouped for this presentation. Here you can see that I've opened the workbook on the right with the book function, and I've selected sheet 1, which is the one currently being displayed. We'll start off with grouping a selection of columns. The worksheet object has a range function that allows you to specify the cells you want to work with. Here I am passing all cells in column B through E. I then access the API attribute that gives me control of the document in real time. Of the API, I select the columns attribute. This attribute has a group function which allows me to group the selected range of cells that I have specified. Executing this, we can see that B through E has been grouped together, and I can collapse them like so. To ungroup the cells, you just need to pass the ungroup function. You can see the rest of the code is exactly the same as the cell above it. Executing this, you can see I am no longer able to collapse the cells down to their group. Performing this function on a range of rows takes a similar form with very minor alterations. You will first notice that I am passing the row numbers. I then access the rows attribute of the API, not the column. Finally, I'm calling xlwings to group the rows. With it executed, rows 3 through 6 are now grouped. And as you might have guessed, ungrouping is just as straightforward. All you have to do is substitute out group for ungroup. Now my ability to group those rows has been removed. So it's that easy. To group or ungroup, specify the range you want to affect, call the API on that range, choose columns or rows, then choose to group or ungroup based upon what you would like to perform. Thank you for stopping by and taking the time to watch this video on grouping or ungrouping columns and rows. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also leave a comment below letting me know if you liked it, and let me know if you want to see any more videos on Excel, xlwings, and Python in general. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video comes out.